Hi, my name is Gabriella and I'm doing work experience at Lakefield. In Lakefield I did the diploma, so I did all the departments, which I do insist on loads of people doing because it gets you the full experience, it gets you to know how the different departments act and their responsibilities and increases your experience. My highlight, I love the people here, and I loved each department has its own highlights. So like in housekeeping, I love the folding. It's a little chit chat, catch up with everything. It's really relaxing to end the day. And then the kitchen, how everyone gets on with their own work, but it's teamwork involved with everything. And food service, I just love setting up the plates and cutlery. There's little skills and talents to go with it. I recommend Lakefield because it gives you the full experience. I do think that every school gives the full experience, but it's the people that here make it special. So.